Hey kids, Mr. D here, and I have a pretty exciting video today. This is a video for science, and it's called a snail pull. Okay, and I'm going to show you some of the materials we're going to need for a snail pull. Okay, one, you should know what this is, a little paper clip, and then we have a washer. These are metal washers. They come in bags of 10. So you'll get 10. You might need more than 10 though, and I'll tell you why. You also need duct tape. Everyone needs duct tape. It's always good to have. And some floss. Okay, don't worry, we're not going to floss our teeth or floss the snail's radula. Okay, that's weird. I'll show you what we're going to do. Okay, but we will need all of those things to do this. Right now, what I would like you to do is go ahead and grab a sheet of blank paper, something like this, or lined paper if that's all you have, because we're going to first make a drawing to make a plan for our snail pull. Okay, so go ahead and do that. I'm going to pause it and then go and grab your supplies, get a sheet of paper and a pencil, and then come back here and then unpause it and we'll do it together. All right, and thank you for coming back. I hope you got all the right supplies. Okay, so first of all, so here's what we're gonna do. Okay, this is gonna happen on a desk of one of your classmates. So first, let's go ahead and draw a line that represents the desk, okay, of one of your table mates. Okay, and then let's go ahead and draw our snail. There's my shell apex. Okay. Okay, there's my shell lip, right? And then here is the snail's body or the foot. There's the head of the snail. Let's connect the foot here. It's on a friend's desk. Okay, let's add some shade to the foot. Let's add that in. Okay, and here are the eye stalks, right? We know that snails have eye stalks. Okay, there's a lower antenna. And then the radula, which is like a sad face. Okay. All right. So got our snail going this way, kind of chugging along. And then what we're going to do, okay, I'm going to give you a piece of floss. This is what the setup looks like. Okay. So we have some floss. Floss is just string. And we're going to tape it to, I'm going to give you a little bit of tape. We're going to tape it to the back of the snail's shell with the duct tape. Okay. Now don't worry. The duct tape can come off. Okay, their shell, but we have some. I'm going to give you some floss, and we're going to tape it to the back of the shell. We'll give you just a little bit of duct tape, and then this end of the floss. See this paper clip here? We're going to unwind it. Okay, you have to break it apart. We're going to unwind it like this. Okay, I'll show you. So that forms like an L with a little hook like that. Okay. And so you got your L and the hook. That hook there is what we're going to tie the string to. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's draw that so that we know what we're doing. Okay, so you got my hook and then the L. Okay, so we undid the paper clip so it looks like just like this. Okay, and then the snail has no idea what's going on. Okay, just know that there's something on its back because it can feel the pressure from the tape. And here are the washers. Okay, and then slowly we're gonna put, so you know how it forms that L, that hook. So we're gonna use that to put the washer on like that, and the snail's gonna drag the washer. Okay, and you'll be surprised. Okay, you might not know how strong a snail is, but you will be surprised. Okay, so if a snail is able to drag one washer, you see it actually moving. Well, then go ahead and grab another washer and add it on. Okay, just keep adding on. Keep adding on. Keep adding on. As long as the snail is moving those washers, okay, we're going to keep adding washers. So let's go ahead and draw a picture of that washer. So here's our first washer. Okay, it kind of slides onto that L part. And then, of course, our snail is strong, so we're going to add another washer. That's supposed to symbolize another washer going on top. And then another washer. and then another washer, and we're going to keep going until our snail can't pull anymore. It cannot pull our washers anymore. And when we do this, we're going to make predictions on how many washers you think your snail can pull. Okay, now remember, each bag of washers only comes in a count of 10. So let me switch cameras here. So maybe you don't know, maybe you don't think your snail can pull all 10 washers. Okay, maybe it can. Who knows? We're going to make predictions. I'll tell you right now, snails are surprisingly strong. Okay, right. So I hope you did well on your drawing. Let me get back to mine so you can see it again. See it again. Sorry, that was a weird little burp. So it should look like this, that we have some idea that when it's time to do our actual experiment for the snail pull, this will help us out. And this, when you're done with your drawing, this will go in our science notebook called the snail pull drawing. Okay. All scientists always draw their experiments first, so they have an idea of what they're going to do. And hopefully this gives us all some idea of what our snail pull experiment is going to look like, so that when it's time to do it, we know what we're doing and we're not going to harm the snail, right? All right, kids, I hope you had a good time drawing this. I can't wait to see your drawings, and I will chat with you later on. Bye.